Today we'll be going over the all splice tape with the finger jig, slick little finger jig, very easy to use. Just place the splice tape, the all splice tape into the jig. We're going to place the carrier tape into the cutting tool. We're going to cut the carrier tape itself, and then we'll place it into the jig. We'll remove the liner, and then we will just place this on the alignment pins, one side. Place the second side over the alignment pins on the other side, and then we will fold over on the perforation right there. We'll remove it from the jig itself, and then we will remove the clear plastic liner. We'll press firmly on both sides. Then we'll remove the clear plastic liner, and you'll have a splice on the top, a splice on the bottom, and you'll see that it comes up pretty easy. Maintains the body because you have a splice on the bottom. Thank you very much.